Hey guys, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to thread your manual sewing machine. Whether you're a beginner or you're trying to brush up your sewing skills, this guide is going to help walk you through this process with ease. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, and if you're an old-time subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and feel free to share this video to family and friends. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. This is a very old machine. It is very old, but it gets the work done. In fact, the older the better. Most of the old machines we have gets the work done better than the new ones we have today. A lot of people are looking for old machines to buy. Okay, so if you have this old machine, please hold onto it tightly. Don't lose guard. So let's begin with the upper thread. First, raise the needle to its highest position by turning the hand wheel towards you. This is called a hand wheel or a balance wheel. So you're going to turn it towards you, just like you see me doing here. Now place your thread spool onto the spool pin at the top of the machine. Okay, just follow what I'm doing. Pull the thread across to the first thread guide. This is a thread guide. Then down into the tension disc, making sure it slips neatly between them. Alright, so this tension disc is where all the magic happens. If you want the thread to move freely, you're going to control it here. If you want it to be tight, you're going to control it here. Okay, next, bring the thread up to the take up lever. This is the take up lever. Thread it through the eye from the left to the right, just like you see me doing, and guide it back down through the remaining thread guide towards the needle. Finally, thread the needle from the right to the left, just like you see me doing, and make sure you leave at least a 6-inch tail behind the presser foot. Before you start threading the machine properly, make sure to wind the bobbin. So this is a bobbin. Some people call this a reel. So to get your thread onto this thing is very easy. So I'm going to pick the spool pin on top and place it there. There's supposed to be a spool pin here, but it's no longer there. I'm going to roll some thread onto it. So normally, if you want to use this area, you take it up, put your bobbin into it, press it down, and you start pedaling the machine. It rolls your thread onto it, but this is bad, so I'm going to show you another way you can do this. You can just feed the reel with thread manually like this. For me, it is time consuming, so instead this is what I do. So the easier way is to take your spool pin, put it in this hole right here, place it on the balance wheel. For the thread, you can drop it on the floor, and then you start pedaling your machine. This one is very easy to do. So this is how I'm going to feed this reel or this bobbin with my thread. So I'm going to insert the bobbin into the bobbin case like this. Insert the bobbin so the thread unwinds clockwise. Guide the thread through the tension spring or slot on the case. Secure the bobbin case back into place until it clicks. Like you're going to hear that sound, kem, then you know it has clicked. All right. To draw the thread from the bobbin or from the bobbin case, what I'm going to do is to hold this thread with one hand, like you see me doing. I'm going to slowly turn this hand wheel towards me. It's going to enter this hole to pick up the thread. Keep doing it, just turn it towards you, and once it clicks, you see, it brings it out. So you have your thread come out this way. So guys, this is basically how to thread. So I'm going to sew. Let's see if this was properly fixed. So I'm using a contrasting color so that you guys will see what we just did. This is where you set your stitches. If you want it to be tight, you can take it up a little. Halfway is going to be tight. If you leave it here, it's going to be very free. You can leave it at number 7. Number 7 is perfect. Alright guys, so this is what we have. Look at the front stitches, and this is the back. So I'm going to give you some tips to ensure proper stitch formation. Always turn the hand wheel towards you and never backwards. The hand wheel should always turn towards you and never the other way around. Insert the needle with its flat side facing the machine body, usually the right side. If you have a threading diagram under the lead, follow its numbered path. And that is it guys, the manual sewing machine is completely threaded and ready to sew. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like me to show you guys how to thread other types of machines. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification so you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. Until I come your way again, my name is Ruby. Stay blessed and have an awesome time. Bye.